Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another week of StephenPlanet. This week we're gonna do some upper body workout that's gonna add beauty, upper body strength, gonna add with your cardio, you're gonna add with your abs. Remember last week I said you don't have to do ab workout to get abs. So this week I'm doing upper body. I'm not just focusing on abs, I'm doing the full upper body workout you're gonna need for you to start seeing more results. Remember, this workout you're doing it for 5 rounds for about 25 seconds each. 5 rounds, 25 seconds each. Let's get started, let's go. Welcome back to another week of StephenPlanet.
They call me the one and only StephenPlanet.
Let's go ahead and do a push-up as a warm-up, as many as you can for 25 seconds. When you're doing push-up, you want to make sure you do different angles at all times, so target different part of the chest. Different angles, wide, medium grip, shoulder weights, and you want to do a close grip. When you're doing it, make sure your elbows are in, not out, in. If you're going out, you're going to mess up your elbows, giving yourself an arthritis. Put your elbows in, you're gonna do it a lot more efficiency and be able to see more results in your chest. So all the way down and back up. The next exercise you can do, this workout you can do actually do at home. Next workout you can do, actually go into a platform. Any platform you can take, like for example, a chair. So you can have any chair you have at home. Grab on it, you want to knee down by bringing your elbows in all the way out. Elbows in and push up. Remember, keep your chest up, protect your lower back. Elbows in, up. Elbows in, up. This is going to work on your tricep muscle. And then next, another full body workout that you guys already know about is called burpees. Burpee with a push up. So you're going all the way up, all the way down, push up, down, push up. That's gonna work on your core strength, that's gonna work on your back, that's gonna work on everything else. Again, if you're new to this channel, go down below, subscribe, and click on the like button. You love it, share it to your friends. I will see you guys next week.